Londoners woke up to 15 centimeters of snow Monday, closing schools and slowing the morning commute. Outside the city, some areas received as much as 25 centimeters. Both the Thames Valley District and London District Catholic School Boards announced all schools were closed due to the weather conditions. Western University and Fanshawe College remained open. Snow removal crews, who worked through the night to clear major roads, were kept busy clearing side streets and sidewalks. Snow also made it tough for crews picking up the larger than usual post-Christmas garbage, which can be 40 to 80% larger than normal. Temperatures are expected to plunge later Monday, with Environment Canada calling for temperatures of -15 and winds gusting to 70 kilometers an hour. For the London Free Press, I'm Hank Danishevsky.